In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix missed call notification not showing on Android. So first open settings. Open settings. Now scroll down and then tap on apps. Scroll down and find phone application, the caller application. So where it is? Here it is. Click on it. Now tap on notifications and just make sure everything is enabled. Just allow notification sound and vibrations, lock screen icon, app icon badge, notification pop up, everything is enabled. So when everything is enabled, just go back, and then search for repeat notification alerts. So here it is, tap on it and just enable this. Then tap on this repeat notification and select the app. Click on apps to repeat alerts. And from here, enable phone application. Just enable this. And now you get multiple notification alert of your missed calls. Now go back. You can also enable vibrate when sound plays. Or you can set that repeat interval also. After 3 minutes, after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, as many as you want, you can select it. So in this way you can solve your problem of not getting notification of missed call. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.